team and the armored elements with the support of artillery fire. Pay your attention to the left flank. As a part of initial investment, armored elements with infantry inducted in both flanks. This technique is used to achieve surprise, shock action, speed and momentum, control and aggressive mobile action against defense in built-up area. Now you can see rapid casualty evacuation by APCs in support of dismounted infantry. Now quick reaction team dismounted to establish the foothold in sector Alpha. The aim of this kind of investment is to isolate the area by seizing terrain features and dismounting the approaches. Quick reaction team in this demonstration is fully mobile with combat riders. This rider team consists with modified motorbikes with a rider and pillion rider. Task of pillion rider is to do quick dismounting and dashing into the objectives early. In the meantime, rider covers him with covering fire. Now you can witness the troops clearing the occupied houses to destroy insurgents. They are using flashbang grenades instead of hand grenades to gain precision targets. They are well trained, equipped and mission oriented with riding, mounting, dismounting, firing, searching and clearing techniques in urban environment. They are also capable of responding to IED attacks. Ladies and gentlemen, pay your attention to the half left, the blue flag and the white wall and brown wall. Pay your attention to the white wall and brown wall. There you will witness troops are using improvised method to sneak into a high-rising building. This is an improvised way of sneaking into a building undetected with the use of wooden pole. Pay your attention to the brown wall. There you will witness troops are using improvised method of sneak into a high-rising building. This is now you are witnessing the break-in by the quick reaction team. This is an assault to seize a foothold in a build-up area. This is the most critical stage of any offensive operation, also conducted when the attacker is vulnerable. Now you can witness mechanized elements are entering the village through the passage created by initial investment. This technique is used to maintain the speed and momentum of the attack. These mechanized troops are well trained and equipped with necessary skills with audacity. Their maneuvers are covered with artillery fire and intimate fire support by main armament of WMC. APCs with the characteristic of high mobility enable rapid investment of troops into the objective area. Please pay your attention to the insurgent fortification close to the brown wall. Now mechanized troops are fighting through the objective to get the control over sector Bravo. However, overall effect of urban density absorbs large number of dismounted infantry. The close proximity of building produces limited observation, field of fire, cover protection and restricted space.
Get on, sir. 1 Alpha 25 signal 7. 254 1 Alpha Q. 1 Alpha 25 CBR in Kasirak in sector Bravo. Report over. 254 1 Alpha, Roger over.
Now you are witnessing CBRNE troops trained for chemical, biological, radiological, nuclear and explosives, rescuing the contaminated troops. Biological and chemical weapons have been used in cities and urban terrains. Their future use is always present and possibly will increase. Indeed, of adversaries now they have ability to produce chemical and biological agents. Ladies and gentlemen, now you can witness the Unibuffers are moving with command elements to establish the command and control in the rear and also to provide rear area protection. Next stage of the attack is to gain the control over Sector Charlie. Pay your attention to the general area white full employment of a tactical air mobile team via rappel. Their task is to secure the critical objective in the depth and destroy the remaining Faithian fighters.
1 Alpha 0, Zero cover. 0 for 1 Alpha 0. 1 Alpha 0, launch rapidly lower. 0 for 1 Alpha, roger over. This is all clear happening present area for next 5 minutes. Surface in variable 5 knot, visibility 10 kilometers. Report on 8
Please look at general area white flag. You can witness induction of 8-man team through helicoptering to gain the control over command post. Bell 212 employed depicts the Mi-24 providing the close air support. Simultaneously, armored tanks are employed in both flanks to provide flank protection and covering fire to support air mobile troops. In tactical scenario, air mobile troops are capable of striking and neutralizing high-value targets like command posts, gun positions, communication centers, etc. In this demonstration, they rappel in plain ground well short of the objective to demonstrate the capabilities of air mobile troops. Pay your attention to the general area white flag. You can witness capturing of command post by the air mobile troops. Insurgents' command post of this fortified village is heavily guarded by insurgents, also protected with overhead protection and barbed wire fences. It is connected with underground tunnel system to escape when they are vulnerable. In the real condition, long-range recce patrols are employed to locate this type of high-value targets.
Hello, 1 Alpha for Zulu signals over. Zulu for 1 Alpha, okay over. 1 Alpha Zulu, Casuac in location. Vector Bravo, report over. Zulu for 1 Alpha, roger over. Ground is Golf, 3 miles info Casuac. This is Golf clear inbound location, report in location inside and copy weather on Madurai, surface in variable 5 knot, visibility 10 kilometers. Weather partly cloud is correct at 3000 feet. Report in location inside. Will report location inside, this is Golf.
Casualty evacuation by helicopters is the most appropriate way to evacuate serious casualties from the urban environment. Please look at general area white flag. Now you are witnessing the casualty evacuation by helicopters. Also, the Bell 212 employed depicts the Mi-24 providing the protection for Casuac. This kind of rapid insertion and extraction of casualties also allow others to maintain the momentum of the attack. Now, they have gained the control over Sector Charlie. Pay your attention to the earth bun just in front of the orange flag. You could see enemies trying to escape as they suffer heavy casualties. There, you can observe helicopters provide direct fire to prevent enemy withdrawal, reinforcement or counter-attack. Now you can see troops are conducting exploitation to clear the remnants of Free Faith fighters.
Hello, 1 Alpha for Romeo Tango and 25 signals over. Romeo Tango for 1 Alpha, okay over. 25 okay over. Hello, 1 Alpha for Romeo Tango and 25, launch phase 3, exploit over. Romeo Tango for 1 Alpha, roger over. 25, roger over.
Ladies and gentlemen, Alpha Company on 1 Ashok Battalion under command of the 532 Infantry Brigade successfully neutralized the Free Faith fighters from Eastern Theatre.
One Alpha 4, 19 signals over. 19 okay over. 1 Alpha 4, 19 sit rep over. 19 send over. 1 Alpha 4, 19 on 2 KIAs, 3 WIAs. Roger so far. 19 roger over. Enemy 8 KIAs, 4 WIAs.